A pneumatic height adjustable desk functions like hydraulic pistons in chairs. Pressing a lever raises the desk, while applying weight lowers it. The desk employs pneumatic pistons in each leg for height adjustment.
We offer 3 handle models, and we also provide custom design options according to customer requirements. Pull handle with Bowden cable. The Bowden cable operates the end fitting, which in turn activates the locking gas spring control expansion by pressing the locking gas springs pi. We offer complete product structures, and of course, if you have different structural requirements, we can also provide customized designs for you. Bowden cable is fixed here at the handle. Our products are readily available in stock, allowing us to offer a delivery lead time of 15 to 20 days, which is faster than many competitors. Compliant with international standards, our products not only boast competitive pricing compared to counterparts, but also serve as excellent alternatives. The entire structure has been disassembled. The entire disassembly process is straightforward, and installation is equally easy. So, did you all understand? If you need further consultation, feel free to contact us. We are available 24 hours a day, awaiting your email. Press the lever, apply pressure, and release the lever to lock the desk in place. We will continuously upload videos. Subscribe to see all of our new content.